Hello from AlphaCars. We are here in our Acton showroom where we are featuring today a beautiful 2017 BMW 330i xDrive, here shown in a gorgeous imperial blue, and we're going to see the saddle brown leather interior that's on this car as well. This is a fantastic automobile, under 21,000 miles on it, a one-owner car. This was a lease vehicle that was purchased and serviced at a highly rated BMW dealership in New Jersey. This car wears all of its original paint, has all maintenance up to date, 0 accidents, and is absolutely stunning. It looks beautiful in this imperial blue. You don't see that very often. And as we come to the front, we can see that the headlights are clear. The chrome looks beautiful. The front bumper cover looks great. There are no imperfections of any consequence there. The hood looks fantastic as well. As we come down to the front passenger side tire, we see just a tiniest little bit of curb rash that's there. A couple of small marks. Each one individually is less than 1/4 of an inch in size. We have about 3 marks right there. But you can't even see it from this angle, but we can see the beautiful straight door lines, even panel gaps, and the way that all of the bodywork lines up on this side. It is absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous aluminum trim up there. As we go into the passenger side interior, we can see that the passenger door looks great. The leather insert, that beautiful saddle brown, is a great touch on this car. Really highlights against the aluminum trim and the dark wood. Coming to the dashboard, no cracks. All of the aluminum looks great. All of the wood trim matches. There's no delamination on any of the switches. The leather seats are absolutely gorgeous. Barely any wear at all. No stains, no rips, no tears, no funny odors. This car does have a premium package, which does get you the keyless entry into the car. Here in the back seat, everything looks beautiful. I don't think anybody ever sat back here. It looks almost brand new. Leather is fantastic. All of the seat belts, again, no rips or stains. Looking at the passenger side door panel here, beautiful. Coming over here, we're taking a quick look at the rear wheel here on the passenger side. Looks to be in fantastic shape. We have a small touch-up mark here, but again, barely noticeable. Coming over to the tail, rear bumper cover is in fantastic condition. Again, no imperfections of any consequence. Taking a look, the rear tail light lenses look clear. The chrome trim on the badging and BMW badge looks great. And as we open up, we have lots of space back here. The carpets are clean. We have the original floor mats. As you can see, we have all of the manuals. 3-way fold-down rear seat for any large capacity items that you have. And we do have remote fold-down switches here on the back of the trunk. Coming over to the driver's side, again, as we look down the side of the car, everything is straight, lines up beautifully. Coming here to the driver's side rear wheel, this one is beautiful. I have no blemishes to point out on that one. And as we come into the driver's side rear seat, interior door panel is in fantastic shape. And it's really beautiful, again, with the saddle brown leather. Let me pull back so you can see it contrast against that very subtle imperial blue. It's a gorgeous color combination. Would not be out of place in a finely tailored suit with lovely matching shoes to go with it. So we look on the driver's side, again, inside door panel looks great. The leather looks great, as does the trim. All of the switches are fantastic. This car does have the cold weather package, which does get you a heated steering wheel, as well as the heated front and rear seats. Coming into the driver's seat, all the gauges look great. Again, all the controls are exactly as they should be. The condition of this car is fantastic. We see the key there. We have both keys with this, so you don't have to worry about replacing that very expensive item, which you might have to on some cars. Of course, BMWs are built to be driven, And part of the heart of that is under the hood. This car is equipped with BMW's 2-liter, 4-cylinder twin-turbo engine. And this is a magnificent power plant and drivetrain, 241 horsepower, I believe 258 foot-pounds of torque thereabout. It is very light, leading for great steering feel and fantastic efficiency. Up to 23 miles per gallon in the city and up to 33 on the highway, made it to that 8-speed ZF gearbox. Looking under the hood, everything is great. Plastics look fantastic. All of the hoses are soft and pliable. All of the plastics look like they should. None of the fasteners are disturbed, meaning that there are no unreported repairs on that. The under hood cover looks fantastic as well. No signs of overheating. And all of this lines up with the clean Carfax with great maintenance. If you've been looking for a great compact sports sedan, this is a fantastic choice in a distinctive color combination. Check out more about it on the web at alphacars.com or give us a call, 978-263-9000.